Okay, many credit card companies use the average daily balance method to calculate the finance charge, where they figure out what your average daily balance is. So let's look at an example. On July 1st, the beginning of Min Zheng's billing cycle, her credit card balance was $375.80. After the transactions that are on the next slide, determine the average daily balance for the July billing period, determine the finance charge to be paid on August 1st at an interest rate of 1.3% per month, and determine the account balance on August 1st. We have the following table. On July 1st, she starts off with a balance of $375.80. On July 5th, her payment is posted. A $150 payment takes her balance down to $225.80. On July 10th, she makes a purchase of $74.35, taking her up to $300.15. July 18th, another purchase, taking her up to $423.65. And on July 28th, another purchase, $42.50, taking her up to $466.15. Now, to figure out the average daily balance, we could add up each day that it's at each balance. A quicker way of doing that is to take the number of days that we have this balance, 375.80, and then we'll multiply that by the number of days it was there. So for example, July 1st to July 5th, that's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Those are the 4 days that were at 375.80. So let's put the 4 days there. And now we'll multiply 4 days times the 375.80. Again, this is the way we do weighted averages. That gives us a total of 1,5003.20. Looking at the next one, from July 5th to July 10th, we can just subtract 10 minus 5 is 5. We get 5 days at this balance of 225.80. And multiplying 225.80 times 5 gives us a total of 1129. Looking at our balance of $300.15. We have that balance until July 18th. So if we take the difference between July 18 and July 10, we get 8 days. Multiply the 8 days times the $300.15. That gives us $2,401.20. Our new balance, $423.65, stays. We have that balance for 10 days. And when we multiply that out, we get $42.36.50. And finally, the last balance, $466.15. We've got to remember when we do the last one, we can't just take July 31st minus the 28th, because this is actually at this balance. This balance is valid for the 28th, that's 1 day, 29th, that's 2 days, 30th, that's 3 days, and the 31st. So it's actually this balance for 4 days. We'll multiply the 4 times the 466.15, and that gives us 1864.60. Now, if we did our work right, we should end up with 31 days, because there are 31 days in July, and we did. Next, we're going to add up all of the balances, all of the amounts we found when multiplying. That gives us 11,134.50. To find the average daily balance, we're going to take the 11,134.50 and divide it by 31 days to get an average daily balance of 359.18. And given these amounts, from 375, dropped down for a little while, we went back up for a while, given those amounts, I can believe that 359.18 would be our average balance. Determine the finance charge to be paid on August 1st at an interest rate of 1.3% per month. We can use simple interest again. We've got $359.18 as our average, times 1.3% times 1 month gives us $4.67. Determine the account balance on August 1st. Now we may be tempted to add $4.67 to the $359.18, but $359.18 was not our most recent balance. Our most recent balance was $466.15. So we're going to have to add the 467 to the 466.15, and that gives us an account balance of $470.82.